Hey Ninjas, it's Eric Thompson. This is your weekly Ninja action tip. Okay, I have a question for you. Is your business where you want it? Is it exactly where you want it, or are you seeing potential for it to be even better? If you're seeing potential, my next question to you is, are you keeping score? And what I mean by that is, are you tracking the activities that would lead you to have the business that you really want? And are you turning those weekly activities into a score? Now, we've given you a really easy way to do that. It's on this piece of paper. It's called the My Weekly Flow Activity Scorecard. Just in case you don't have it yet, there's a link right below this video where you can download the scorecard and start using it. And the thing is, that really simple piece of paper, just that one page, is so powerful, really for three reasons. There are three reasons why we see the scorecard work time and time again, and three reasons why we've seen it work for decades. Okay, reason number one is it's fun, all right? It's fun because you're keeping score. So you can turn it into a game, you can turn it into a contest with your friends and the people in your office. Okay, so keeping score is a lot of fun. The second reason why it works is because it's the place to manage your activities. So the thing is, you cannot manage your results, you can only manage your activities. So when you're tracking those activities, you're managing them, you're seeing your progress, you really are paying attention to what you're doing. And the third reason is the scorecard is the place to be accountable. So accountable either to yourself or maybe to someone else. So if you're accountable to yourself, what you're doing is you're setting a goal for yourself on how many points that you want to score in that week. Or maybe you are working with a coach or an accountability partner, and they are expecting you to score a certain number of points in the week. So the scorecard works. Your weekly action tip is to keep score by using the scorecard. Now, here's the thing. We've given you a really easy, simple, powerful way to score a whole bunch of points on the scorecard, and that's through the Open House Challenge. So just in case you haven't started in the challenge yet, just in case you haven't opted in, there's a link right below this video where you can do that. And this is where we show you how to have 100 points on your scorecard just from one open house. And this is where we've turned it into a challenge where everyone in the challenge is turning in their scores every week from their open houses. And it's been so fun. It's been really fascinating to see the scores that have been submitted so far and also the stories that are coming in from the open houses. So you want to watch the video about the Open House Challenge. You want to take part in the challenge. One reason why you want to take part in the challenge is to feel accountable to us because we're watching everyone's score. We're even reaching out to people and celebrating with them, congratulating them, hearing more about their open house stories. So if you want to feel accountable to us at Ninja, go ahead and submit your score. Another reason why you want to submit your score is so that you can participate in our fun weekly drawings. So each and every week, anyone who submits any score on the Open House Scorecard Challenge, your name goes into a hat to receive some really fun Ninja swag, right? So we have mugs, we have hats, we have t-shirts, we have fleeces. It's really fun Ninja things that we're giving away. Then there's one grand prize. So at the end, for everyone who submitted at least 3 weekend scores during the challenge, during the month of May, your name goes into a drawing to receive this. This is a beautiful pewter key symbol, all right? So you recognize the key symbol. This is the Ninja key. And Larry had just a handful of these commissioned just a few years ago. This is a beautiful pewter piece. This is our grand prize. So if you want to win this grand prize, participate in the challenge. Your name will go into a drawing. We'll see if you are the winner of that beautiful Ninja key. So again, your action tip is to keep score. The way to do it is on the scorecard. The way to score a whole bunch of points easily is through open houses. The thing to do is to opt into our open house challenge. Thank you so much for watching this video. We look forward to seeing you inside the challenge. Take care.